Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seekers Hub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about a multiple company hirings. So if you are a pass out from 2021, 2022, 2023, 24, 25, 26, then this video is for you. Please don't miss this video. Watch this video until and then only you got to know about each and everything. And yesterday I made a video on Infosys results. So if you are the one who selected or rejected by Infosys, then you can watch that video over there. I discussed two topics. One is about rejection, one is about selection. So if you had a exam on September 5th and 6th, please try to watch that video because over there I discussed each and everything. I will give that video link in this video description. From there easily you can access the same. The first hiring is from GlobalLogic guys. So GlobalLogic is hiring for associate analyst. I already shared this opportunity, but this time this is a new opportunity. Here you can see the date published is 26th August 2026. Yesterday only they posted this opportunity. This is for a freshers, non-technical and non-voice. This is not a voice role. This is a non-voice role. And experience they required is 0 to 1 years and location is Hyderabad. So if you are searching for a job in Hyderabad, then this may be a good and right fit for you. Skills what they want is a machine learning and function is technical product development and research operation. Work model is on site, means in company you have to work. That is not a work from home opportunity. Requirements is any graduate. If you are a graduate, that must be enough. If you are from a BE, BTech, BSc, don't matter it was. If you are a graduate from any year pass out, easily you can apply for this opportunity. But provisional degree certificate and consolidated marks memo are mandatory. If you had that, just go and apply for that opportunity. And normal color vision, no color blindness, and no uncorrected visual impairments. Excellent hand-eye coordination, strong visual aesthetics, fluent in writing English, and strong reading comprehension, ability to memorize and quickly execute 45 plus keyboard shortcuts. So those are the requirements. If you are a good fit with that requirement, just go and apply for that opportunity. And here you can see these are the job responsibilities. What we offer: exciting projects, collaborative environment. They discussed about their company. So here just give your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, gender. If you are a male, give male. If you are a female, give female. Country of residence, either you are residing in Andhra, Mumbai, like that, give those. And city. Preferred job location, here you have to select only Hyderabad, as this is Hyderabad opportunity. Notice period, if you had a immediate joining, you can put over there. And annual expected salary, just give in the range of 3 to 4, that will be enough. Have you worked with GlobalLogic before? If yes, select yes. If no, just select no. How did you about this hear about this opportunity? Over there you can give just social media and upload your resume and then click on submit form. Once your details will be submitted, if you are a good fit for that role, they may contact you. Another hiring is from HROne guys. So HROne is hiring for a software engineer trainee. Here you can see this is the company name. So company name is HROne, team is a platform engineering, location is Noida. This is a for Noida location. Experience is 0 to 1 years only, trainee plus full time. So if you want to read about the HROne, you can read. And this is the role: customer engineering, implement and configuring customer projects, building integrations, work on data modeling and writing backend API code, and SDET software development engineering test. So these are the two roles they are hiring for. These two roles, based on your performance, they may allocate a role. And this is a 6 months internship opportunity. Initially they will offer only a 6-month internship to you. If you perform very well in that internship, then you will be converted to a full-time role based on your performance. And salary will be up to 5 LPA. A degree in computer science, IT or related field, hands-on ability. If you had a degree from computer science like your BSc computer science or BTech, you can apply for that opportunity. Hands-on experience with Python, hands-on experience with MongoDB, and understanding data structures, strong writing communications, figure it out attitude. And languages frameworks needed is fast API and JavaScript. And these are not mandatory skills. If you had those, then you will be on edge compared to others. So if you want to read all those things, you can read all those things here. Just fill the basic details like your name, your email ID, your CV. Just try to paste it as a Google Drive link, and over there give anyone can view your resume with the link. And your LinkedIn profile link as well, you have to give your GitHub username. If you don't have, please try to create one. And your mobile number, year of pass out is 25 can apply, 26 can apply, also 27. can apply for that particular opportunity. Name of your college, university. Do you have experience Python? If yes, click on yes. If yes, no, click on no. If you have, do you have a experience with MongoDB? You have to click on yes. These are the mandatory skills. If you click on no, you may not get shortlisted for that particular opportunity. Like that, just give all these roles, and this is a work from office role. Just select yes, and this also you have to select yes, and this also you have to select yes, and click on submit. Once if you submitted your details, if you are a good fit, they may contact you. And another role is for IBM guys. So data scientist, they are hiring. This is a artificial intelligence role. Year of password they particularly didn't mention, but for these IBM, even 2024, 2025, 2026 can try for this opportunity. If you want to read about the role and responsibilities here, you can read all those things. And required is a bachelor's degree, preferred is a master's degree. If you had a bachelor's degree, it will be enough. If you had a master's, then also it will be very and prefer technical professional experience, strong programming skills with proficiency in Python, experience with AI frameworks, understanding the usage of libraries, experience and working in COBOL and Java would be preferred. Like that, if you want to read all those things, just read and click on apply now button. You will be redirected to other site. Over there you can easily apply. And last opportunity is a walk-in guys. So Firstsource is hiring for chart support executive. This is a walk-in process. If you are residing in Hyderabad, you can utilize this opportunity. If you are residing in Mumbai, like that, just click on this. From over there you can apply for the same, and the package is a 2.2 3.25 LPA, and time on you is 26th August, and today from today onwards it is starting, and it will be lasted till 11 September, and the timings is 11:30 to 2:30 p.m. So this is the address. If you want to go to the address, just go to the address. Openings is 20, applicants are 100 plus, but try to give chance, because if you get selected, it will be very good. We don't know these 100 plus candidates will secure these 20 positions or not. If 10 positions were empty, then you may go with that. And these are the job descriptions. So walk-in interview, key skills they need is non-voice process. This is a non-voice process, chat support, international chat process, BPO non-voice, like that they mentioned. If you want to read about the company, you can read about the company. I will give this link in the channel description. Over there you can easily apply for the same. And thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe our job seeker sub channel. And Jai Hind, bye bye now.